you have 30 views and above, this video is for you. You can actually convert your WhatsApp views into money. And before I continue, I would like to introduce myself and also welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Joachim. So what I do on this platform is that I show you different ways you can actually make money online. And in return, all I ask from you is to hit the like button, subscribe on my YouTube channel, turn on post notification bell so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload valuable content like this on this channel. So without no form of delay, let's get started. Now, most of us have lots of views on our WhatsApp status and we're not making money with it. So this platform will give you an opportunity for you to convert your WhatsApp views into money-making machine. So I will advise you stay from the beginning of this video to the end, as I will be revealing the name of this platform on this video. And also on this platform, apart from using WhatsApp views to make money for yourself, you can also earn thousands of naira daily by performing simple social media tasks such as liking, commenting, and following. But on this video, we are going to be leveraging on only WhatsApp views. And if you've not subscribed until now, please do well to subscribe on my YouTube channel, as this is a way of you telling me thank you. And most especially, don't forget to like this video. Also drop a nice comment on the comment section and I'll be liking all your comments. So once you are on this page, what you need to do is to click to this particular right side of the platform and you will see log in, sign up and contact us. So what you need to do is to click on sign up. Once you are here, you input your email address, your full name, your state, your gender, your age, and password. Then confirm your password, then hit register. So once you registered and you're done with your registration, you're going to have a plain dashboard where you have your account balance to be 0 naira. Okay, so what you need to do right now is that you can actually come over to this tax, and once you come to tax, you can actually see available jobs you can do and earn for yourself. But I'm not going to be leveraging on that. I'm going to be leveraging on how you can actually use your WhatsApp views to earn money for yourself. So to do that, you will need to go over to this post tax. Once you click on post tax, you are going to see different tax you can do to earn for yourself. As you can see, post ad WhatsApp on per view. You can see the amount you'll be getting for a single view once you have a single view on your WhatsApp status. So you can accumulate this and see how much you're making in a day. So there are available WhatsApp status tax you can do to earn for yourself. And so you're going to select any of the tax you want to do right here. So we are going to pick this. So once this loads up, you are going to see the instructions of the tax. As you can see, you get paid according to your views count. You can use your earnings to calculate as estimate of how much you will get paid. The higher your views, the higher you get paid. You can see the more you have views on your status, the more you get paid. Assuming you have about 1,000 views, 500 views, 200 views, the amounts accumulate and you get more money from this website. So you can see, download the ad image and copy the caption. Make sure you read receipt of WhatsApp is turned on. Post both the ad image, video and caption on your status. That is, if there's an image on this particular post you want to post, you need to download the image, and also if there's a video, you need to download the video, and also when you are posting, you post the video and you add the caption on it. If there is no image, post only the caption. For an example, this tax does not have an image, so what we need to do right now is to just copy this. Once you have copied this, you can actually go over to your WhatsApp status and paste this exactly the way you copied it and send. So now we have to wait for this to load up. As you can see, we've succeeded in posting this on our WhatsApp status. So what you need to do right now is to come here, get a screenshot, then we go over to the site and come over here and upload a screenshot as evidence of the post on WhatsApp status, and come over here to hit the mark complete button. But before I mark this as complete, you can come over here and see the instruction. If your post does not give up to